Taipei International Food Show, Food Taipei, brings together the food industry's entire supply chain to create the largest procurement platform in the country that serves buyers from around the world. It's little wonder that global buyers consider Food Taipei, one of Asia's leading annual feasts for the food industry, a must. At Food Taipei, Taiwan's top-notch food companies gather to showcase the prowess of the country's food industry and a diverse range of quality products. It has long been rewarded with trust and appreciation across borders.
Taiwan products, the best advantage is the trust. Taiwan is a democracy, has a legal system, and has very high standards. So for the international market, Taiwan is very, very competitive and a very good place to come look for.
Taiwanese products are very good in the packaging and food quality, food safety is very nice. So they have good flavor profiles. I think they are perceived very well in the marketplace for quality.
Taiwan's food processing and food packaging machinery industries have long been reliable suppliers of quality products at competitive prices. Responding to the biotechnology industry's rapid development, Food Taipei 2019 featured a biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, machinery, and components and parts section that gives overseas buyers access to a richer variety of products and technologies.
We're always looking for new materials to import from all over the world, and this is the place always have good quality and good price.
This exhibition is very convenient and very useful for family-based business who is interested to start their business in small scale.
This year, Food Taipei was held in conjunction with the Taiwan International Hotel, Restaurant and Catering Show and the Taiwan International Halal Expo. On display were quality products from Taiwan and around the world to provide global buyers with a wider variety of procurement options. A good number of one-on-one meetings brought together global buyers and Taiwan's food companies. These events not only facilitated food culture exchanges across borders, but also helped push Taiwan's food industry onto the international stage.
在美国境内呢，对于健康食品比较着重。台湾产品很天然，而且比较清爽。总的来说，质量呢非常的好。
Taiwan has a good reputation for food safety and also for innovation. I think knowing that a product is from Taiwan means that it's easier to accept, it's easier to feel confident.
Taiwan companies high technology in farming, in post-harvest technology, in packing. So this all gives Taiwan an added value to compete with the other producers in the world.
This year, a total of 38 countries attended Food Taipei. This diversity of participants added to the diversity of products on display.
This event, it is very international. It's fantastic to see people from all around the world here and meeting new friends in a good environment. I think it's a great success and we will love to come back in the future.
台湾と日本は非常に仲のいい国で、台湾の方は日本の魚が大好きなんだと思います。なので一生懸命台湾の方に美味しい魚を届けるためにこうやって試食ですとかセミナーですとかやっております。
With a variety of exciting events and well-rounded planning, Food Taipei 2019 succeeded in promoting exchanges across food companies and thus left a deep impression on global buyers.
This expo, it's very nice, it's very informative, very educational, and there's a lot more to learn.
这是非常重要的一个食品展，全世界食品从业人员那个重点的展现，大家聚集在一起，然后在这里做交流。
我们最近这几年来，每年的参展都能够获得相当好的一个效果。透过参展的一个过程，对海外客户开发经营上是有相当大的帮助。
到目前为止，除了华人地区之外，其他的国家也都有陆陆续续的来参观我们的展位。
Food Taipei, the most important food industry event in Asia, looks forward to seeing you again in 2020.